Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com, and today I have a job of fixing a tenant's TV that isn't working right now. So the tenants do have Coax cable, and this is what's called a four-way splitter. And this right here is where the power comes in from the pole. So it splits out four ways, and it splits equally. Each of them, it says on here, 7 decibels out. So it's a loss of 7 decibels for each one of these 4 ports. And it will be an even loss provided all the connections down the line are good. I am noticing that there is a cable here that is disconnected. And I know that the Coax cable guy was out here, so he may have disconnected this accidentally. And I also know that one of these is a dead line. I just have to find out which one it is. I'm going to remove the dead terminal from the port of the four-way splitter, and I'm going to put this back, and that should fix it. By the way, here's the ground, so this four-way splitter is properly grounded. So the job is going to be to find which one of these is dead, and to do that I'm going to do some testing. Okay, so I'm in a bedroom right now, and this is the coaxial line that isn't being used. It's basically a dead line, but it's on, I'm thinking that it's on that four-way splitter on one of the ports. So I'm going to make a test to find out which one this is out on the four-way splitter. So this is a barrel connector, F-type barrel connector. You screw it right in there like that. And this is my ideal voice data video multimedia tester. And down here you pull this out and it has a remote. And you just take this remote, it's called remote number 1, and you just press it right on here like that. So there we have the remote. So now I'm going to go back to the four-way splitter and use my voice data video multimedia tester to find out which one this is. And then I'll be disconnecting this line and putting the other line onto the four-way splitter, and then I'll test to see if my tenant's TV is working. So now I'm going to test these to find out which one the one in the bedroom goes to. The one that I have the tester number 1 on, which one does that go to? So this is 7/16 inch wrench. Okay, so now I'm going to take my tester, put it right on here. And screw it on. And now I'm going to press video. Okay, that's a short. All right, so it's not that one. All right, so I'll put that one back on. Now try this one. Put my tester on here. Press video. That's it. It says pass ID 1. Video pass ID 1. So this is the line that goes to the bedroom that has the tester number 1 on it. So this one's dead. So this one I'm not going to have hooked up to the four-way splitter. This is the one that I believe goes to the TV of the tenant that is complaining that has no service. So put this right in here, tighten it up, tighten that one up. Now I'll just go turn the tenant's TV on and see if it works. Here I am at the TV that wasn't working, and find out if it works.
System that's setting up from the west. So
there it is. Okay, everything's all fixed. So that's how you use a voice data video multimedia tester to figure out what cable is which, and hopefully you can get someone's TV working when they don't have service and make them happy. I'll put a link in my video description for the ideal voice data video multimedia tester. I do have a video about the kit, so I'll place a link for that video in my video description in case you're interested. Also, I'll put a link for the ideal OmniSeal Pro XL compression termination tool. I'll put links for the ideal stripper tool, the ideal data T cutters, ideal compression F connectors, and the ideal compression hip kit, which includes the cable strippers, the data T cutters, and a compression termination tool, which is a less expensive model than my OmniSeal XL pair. This hip kit comes with a custom-made pouch that you can wear on your belt. Also, I'll put a link for 250 feet of Media Bridge RG6 Quad Shield Coax cable. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.